G'day, I'm Clive and welcome. The new updated version of the Sunblesa H11 Rechargeable Ultralight Headlamp. It comes in this box here, a few basic bits of information on the back. Now, it's got the Cree XPG3 LED light in it. It's waterproof with the headband and the light itself. It weighs in at 45 grams, and I think we've got the weight here without. If it's just a body on its own is 29 grams. Maximum is 365 lumens and the minimum is 2 lumens. So let's move that out of the way for now. Comes with a charging cable in it. So what's that? That's about 11-12 inches in length. It's got a USB, which is the blue, to USB-C, which has become the standard with most companies now. So there's a high chance that you'll only need one cord or charging cable for all your appliances you take, whether it's your phone, your headlamp, camera like I'm using now. And instructions. Now the instructions are in English, where are we now? German, Italian and French. Let's just double check. Yep. Now when it comes it will be locked, so before I do that I'll lock it again. Right. It turns up locked, so if I press that button you'll get the red light come on here, which is just saying it's locked. And the way we unlock it is the on off button at the top. We've got the normal on off sign and we've got the letter R on the other end. So on off and the letter R. The on and off turns the main light on and the letter R turns on the green and the red light I've got on this side. But to unlock it, I'm going to press the unlock button and the letter R at the same time, and we'll see the red light flash. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. Now I can turn the main light on. And I can turn the green light on to the red light at the bottom. And to again, just to lock it, we hold both again until the red light flashes. 1, 2, 2.5, 3 seconds ish. And now, again, that's locked. So I press the two together, unlocked. The charging is at the bottom, which is the USB-C, and it's got a little rubber flap over it to help keep it waterproof and dustproof. So that's the charging there. Adjustable angle for the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks. So you can adjust that 5 different points. We've got reflectives on the side of the headbands. On the inside, they've got a rubber all the way around, like a silicone flexible, so it's not going to slip that easy off your head or off your cap if you're wearing it over the top of your cap or your beanie. Adjustable headband on it with just a slip buckle. Comfortable to wear. Like I said, I've got the old version. Looks very similar. I should have really got it out, but we're looking at this one today. The headband is about 1 inch or 25mm wide, about 1.5 to 2 mm thick, but it fits nice and comfortable. And like I said, that anti-slip silicone going around it works. So that's all the outside that you need to know about. Now let's go to the specs of it all. Take them off. Even though they've got reading section on, they still get in the way. Alright, press main light on off button. Press once for low beam, twice for middle, and 3 times for high. Excuse me. Excuse me. So there we go. Once for low, second time, third time, off. The first one, the low, is 2 lumens, then 38 lumens, then 190 lumens, then off again. And to get your maximum of 365 lumens, you're going to hold it down and it comes on. Now this 365 lumens is set to drop back down to, I think they say the high. Let's have a look. In English will help. Yep, it will be drop down to high mode after about 30 seconds to help prevent it from overheating. But on 2 lumens, it will last 200 hours. In the 38 lumens, 20 hours. High lumens, 5 hours. And as you just saw then, it dropped down to the 190 lumens from the 365 lumens. And let's go through any more. Alright, for your red and your green, let's turn that off for now. You press the button on the right hand side as I'm looking at it, or the left hand side as you're looking at it, with the letter R. Now we can scroll through them by just pressing them one after the other. So we're going to have green, high green, red, high red, off. Or if we press it on once and say okay, let's try and change it again, it'll go off. So what's going on here? Press it once, 1000, 2 1000. So you've got 1.5 to 2 seconds in between to change it. So if I want it to go to green, high, or 1, 2. Now again 1.5 seconds later and it'll just turn off. But if I want the red, I'll go 1, 2, 3. Low, one more. So again 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're also on the top, so if we turn it on again, you'll see a green light and that goes off, which tells you you can't move it up, so that'll turn the light off. So again, green light, off, can't turn it up now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show you again closer, we've got a green light comes on here, so if you press it once and wait, that'll come on, then off, and now when I press the button, where are we? Sorry about that. Okay, we're off now. So if I press the letter R once, you'll see a green light come on, and that will go off, and now I can't adjust it. That will just turn the light itself off. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. When that light's on, I can scroll through all of them. But when that light goes off, like I said, you can't scroll. It will just turn the light off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and that was it. Now off. There's my glasses I just went for. I'm not wearing them at the moment. What else we've got down here? I've done all this, haven't I? The lumens of 2, which will last 200 hours. 38 lumens 20, 195 hours, 365. It goes off after 30 seconds and it will drop down to the high. And let's see if there's anything else here. Alright, the low red will last 35 hours, the high red will be 8 hours, the low green will be 30 hours, the high green for 6 hours, and the full charge is 2 hours. That's from empty to full. The main light has a 24-month warranty on it, and if you damage it before then because you've dropped it or thrown it or anything silly like that, there's no warranty. Return policy. If your light fails to operate, follow the simple steps. Try to unlock the headlamp, and if it still doesn't work, try recharging it, and if it still doesn't work, then you got to contact Luffy@sunblesa.com and they'll give you some more solutions. Avoid shining the light directly into one's or anyone's eyes. It is a high intensity lighting device capable of causing eye damage to user or to others. And the maximum, what's that one says over there? It's in German there. They've got here. Alright, battery life indicator button light. So that'll be at the top here, the green I've just shown you. It'll light up green on top there when the charge is between 50 and 100. That would come up as red if it's between 10 and 50%, and it'll flash 3 times if it's between 10 and 0%. 0%, yep, charging status red light when full power will become green light. So when you're charging it'll be red, and when it gets to green it means it's fully charged. That's all the instructions they have here. So we do have a flashing on the red as well, I believe. Let's go through that to the red, and if I hold it 4, 5, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not, oh there it is, yeah. Hold the R button for around 5 seconds and you'll get the Morse code, and if I think we press it again it will go into strobe mode. Yeah, there you go, into strobe mode, and off. Then on, it'll be green, red, oh just a red light. Yeah, just the green, green high, red low, red high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Morse code. Press it one more time into strobe. Press it again. Goes off. A little bit to learn and understand, but get there eventually. The more you use it, the easier it becomes, and easier it is to remember. And that feels a little bit tight. So like we've got a slip buckle here, we'll just pull that through. Level it up at the back a bit more. That's it. Nice and easy. Comfortable. Again, I can adjust it any angle I want. Go for the white light. White light's on. Press and hold that down, see if I swap to the green. No. Press it once. Oh, red's come back on. Now it's green. Yeah, so go for the white light. Press it once. The other side it goes to green. Press it again, it goes off. Like I said, learning. Once, low, medium, high, hold. Onto the actual super high, whatever you want to call it, the maximum. I'll press the R side of it. Low green. Right, off. Low green, middle green, low red, high red, hold it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, red flashes, SOS, press it one more time, strobe, one more time, off, press it again, comes on in the red mode because that was the last one, press again, off, press it again, red, go through it, green, that's it, green, high, low red, high red, off, swap over to the other side, wish I could do with this hand, but low, low, medium, high, hold again, maximum, again, that will stay on for 30 seconds, then it will drop down to the high mode, press it, off. It's harder to work it out, and once you get it, it's easy. So that's the Sunblesa Rechargeable Ultralight Waterproof. I think when they say waterproof, they probably mean rainproof. So I don't know if you can submerge it. I haven't tested it, or I won't test it. But again, another headlamp. And I haven't had one for, I think, the old version of this was the last one I bought, so that was 3-4 years ago or more. So that's the Sunblesa H11 waterproof, rechargeable, ultralight headlamp with strobe on it and SOS. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I haven't babbled on too much. And if you have enjoyed it, hit the like button, the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, then hit the notification bell next to it and select all so you can be notified of all future videos. And if you are already a subscriber, again, I thank you very much.